Have you had your joy juice today? Hope you've got plenty to help you celebrate the coming of the new year. As we look back over this past year, there may be regrets about decisions that were made, circumstances that didn't work out the way we'd hoped, maybe even relationships that were damaged. We may wonder why God allowed certain things to happen in 2015 because we truly do not understand. Maybe you've been praying for a specific request and God has not given you that heart's desire. Do you quit praying? Do you give up on God? Or like Elizabeth in the book of Luke, do you remain faithful? The people in Elizabeth's day measured a woman's value by her ability to bear children. Elizabeth was a descendant in the priestly line of Aaron. She and her husband Zechariah, a temple priest, lived an upright and blameless life in one of the hill towns of Judea. The great disappointment in their lives was that although they had prayed fervently for a child, Elizabeth had reached an advanced age without ever having conceived. But Elizabeth remained faithful and allowed God to work. He had a plan in which he would give her a son, John, at just the perfect time. John was to be the forerunner of Jesus. We can glean much truth from the example of Elizabeth. God does not forget those who have been faithful to him. And God's timetable and methods do not have to conform to what we expect. That's a hard one. This is Joyce Ashley of Joy Joy Ministries urging you to drink your joy juice faithfully and trust in God to accomplish His purpose in the new year in His perfect timing.
For more joyful encouragement, resources, and booking information, contact Joyce via her website, joyjoyministries.com, or go to Joy Joy Ministries on Facebook.